What's up, YouTube? Mudcat here, on my way to work tonight. A little bit different view for you all tonight. Haven't been able to make a video. Haven't had my bike. A couple of weeks before Thanksgiving, I got back from my ride down in southern Tennessee. And my bike started having starting issues. It would start, but it would throw codes, and then it got to where it wouldn't start at all. So I called my dealer and I told them what situation I was having. And they said, it sounds like your battery's bad. And I said, I would agree with that. And they said, if you'll bring it down, we'll check it out. He said, I got batteries in stock. Excuse me. So me and the wife loaded it up on the trailer, took it down. First time my bike's ever been on a trailer. Any of my bikes, I guess. Took it down, dropped it off. We went on down to Nashville, ate lunch, did some shopping. Went to Cycle Gear, got her a new jacket. Come back and they said, well, your battery was good. Battery tests good, we can't replace it. I said, well, what's wrong with it then? He said, I don't know. He said, but this is the steps that Harley makes us go through. I said, well, what's gonna happen is I'm gonna get home and this bike isn't gonna start. And you know I'm 120 miles away. He said, I understand that. He said, if you get home, it doesn't start, let me know, and I'll come and get it. I said, all right. So I took it home before I ever even got it off the trailer. This is what happened. Okay, here we are back from the dealer. I've got it, I had it in transport mode. So we're going to try to start it up. It is 30 degrees outside. It's reading 12 volts. And it won't start. There you go. Okay. Got my jump box on it. Turn the key on, or the switch. 12 volts. There you go, Harley Davidson. So after this happened, I sent those videos to my dealer, my salesman, and he subsequently showed them to the service manager. The service manager called me back the next day and said, I'll be there to get it. When's a good time? So they come down the Wednesday before Thanksgiving and picked up my bike, took it down. They had it for 2 weeks. Called me, said, everything's good. I said, what'd you do? They said, we did 2 updates on the computer. Okay. Does it work? Yeah, it works. I said, does it work when it's cold? Well, we think so. Okay. So they bring it back earlier this week, or late last week on Saturday. And I went out there, and whenever we went to start it to get it out of the trailer, it throwed codes. Barely started. I told the guy, I said, I don't think that's fixed. He kind of shrugged his shoulders. He said, yeah, I would agree. So I took it and I put it in the garage, put it on the tender. I even bought a new NOCO GB1 tender. I believe it's a GB1, Genius 1 tender. And it maintains the battery at a higher voltage, so we're going to see what happens. And if it doesn't start, I'm going to call them and come and get it again. It's kind of ridiculous that they can't figure this out. The bike starts great whenever it's warm. The bike starts great when you put a booster box on it. But whenever it's cold out, even on a tender, it does not start. My tender is run right to my battery. It does not go through the regular pigtail. So it goes right to the battery. So I don't know what's going to happen. I'm getting kind of frustrated, to be honest. That's where we're at. Thank you all for watching. Love the bike, but I can't have a bike that doesn't start. I ride my bike to work, if I ride my bike camping and it's cold and I go out and I start it doesn't start, there I sit. That's not acceptable. So we'll see what happens. Thank y'all for watching. Be safe out there. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Mudcat is out.